I'd like to welcome you to Math 191. This is Calc 1. I'm your instructor, Lillian Ryle. I wanted to give you a short navigation of the course. So I wanted to introduce you to Blackboard. Blackboard, when you log in, you will see the announcement page where I will post announcements about every week, just reminding you of due dates and things to do for the week. On the left-hand side, you're going to find all the links that you'll need. The first one after announcements is the start here. This is where you should have started, and it will navigate you through the Blackboard course. Next is the syllabus. So you should read through this. Make sure that you read through the exam format. Make sure that you take a look. You do need a WebAssign account. You do need a TI-84 graphing calculator or 8383 plus. This course is a 10-week course. It is 15 weeks of Calc 1 condensed into 10 weeks. So a normal Calc course, face-to-face, would meet 5 hours a week, face-to-face. So you should be spending 5 hours a week on material, plus additional time it needs to be spent outside of the class time, working on homework, working on quizzes, watching videos. So about total, it will be about 15 to 20 hours a week, possibly more because this is a condensed course. There is no material that is left out of this course from the regular Calc 15-week Calc course. So you're going to see the same amount of material in a shorter time frame. So it's very important that you're dedicating that time every week. So make sure you scroll through this, make sure you read through this. I'm just pointing out some of the important things. This right here is the organization of the course, what you will have. This is a online course. This means that we don't have a meeting time. You work around your schedule, taking those 15 to 20 hours a week whenever you want to work, morning, afternoon, evening, on the material. There's textbook reading, there's video lectures, there's activities. There's practice problems, homework assignments, and quizzes. There are tests. 2 of them are in WebAssign. And then you have the midterm and the final exam. And those, even though we're an online class, we have a proctored midterm and a proctored final. So you'll come to campus, unless you've made other arrangements with me, and take those 2 exams. Will be face-to-face. Now, again, the exam formatting is repeated here. So there are other options if you are not local, and those options are listed. How do you earn a grade? The grade is earned based on these items. Your grade is going to be based on the quizzes, the chapter test, there's 2 of them, the midterm, and the final. I add up your total points, divide it by 1,000, and then convert your grade to the appropriate letter grade. If you need to contact me, the best way is through email. Make sure you are using your WCC email account because I need to make sure it's you. So I am not allowed to answer emails from other accounts, so you make sure you email me through that account. And then you have some important dates listed here. All right, if you want to download a copy that you could print, you can select the syllabus link here, and you can download and print out a syllabus version. Next, on the left-hand side. Next, on the left-hand side, you're going to see the schedule. The schedule is listed in a written format here. And if you scroll down, you're going to see it in calendar format here. So whatever version that you prefer. If you'd like a copy of this calendar version, you can click here and download a printable calendar version for you to keep by your workstation. Below the schedule is the module. So, for example, this upcoming week, we're going to start module 2. And so, for example, I believe it starts with 2.3 this week. We're going to, you have everything listed for you, what you need to do. So it's all listed under the to-do section right here. So what does it start with? You read the section in the text. You go to website, you read the section. Then there are videos. Those videos are listed here. They are down here. You have links to all the videos, and then you have the times that the videos run. Here is practice problems. These are only for practice. You can use them in your discussion board. The discussion board is under success groups, where you can meet other students and form study groups for the class. And then the web assign is listed here. That means you go to web assign, you complete 2.3. After you have completed 2.2 and 2.3 homework and score 85% or higher, which you have 100 attempts on, you can now open up the quiz and take the quiz. But you have to have 85% before you can move on. So each different unit, different section in the book has a to-do list. Videos right here, and then it tells you what to do next. So very step-by-step on what you need to get done for that section. Below modules is the WebAssign link. This here talks about how to sign up for WebAssign, and then there's a link for it. Then you have the practice tests. Practice tests are for you to practice. And these are just provided from the department. Success groups, there are instructions here for success groups. These are discussion boards on how you can meet other students in the class. The proctoring quiz, this should have been done already. If you have not done this, please do so immediately. You want to click the proctoring quiz and you want to copy and paste which option you are going to be doing for the midterm and the final. And then last here is the flip.com. This is an online discussion board. This again was due Friday, but if you haven't done it, please do so now. And you're going to introduce yourself to the class. You can record a video. If you're more comfortable recording an audio, you can record an audio. And you're just going to tell your classmates who you are and maybe your major or your background. And then you want to respond to other students. This is a good way to meet people in the class so you can form study groups as well. Below that, you have the WCC, the how to contact me, and email. You can check your grades. The WebAssign, you can check your grades right on WebAssign. It will tell you the homework, how you do. You see 85% or higher. And remember, the homework is not counted towards your grade. It's the quizzes that count. And then there's resources. So you have the WCC resources, the success team, academic, dates, study help. So all those typical WCC resources are here. And so that's kind of the rundown of the Blackboard. So when you go to WebAssign, you look something like this. You click the assignment to go into it. When you click the assignment, you have the question. You can complete the question, and then you have to hit the submit answer. So this one here, if you don't understand and you need help, you can hit read it or watch it. If you submit the answer and it's incorrect, then it's going to tell you right away, so you get that immediate feedback. There's also an ask your teacher button that it will send me an email and let me know that you would need help on that particular question. You can also when you go to my assignments, you will see on the right hand side, you're going to see all the due dates. You will see your score on the assignment. And you also will see, like, for example, 2.2, 2.3. Notice how there's a arrow through there. So if I try to open the quiz, it says that I need a 85% or higher in order to open the quiz. So I have to go back here and do an 85% or higher. The 2.2 and 2.3 are linked together so that you need an 85% on both of them in order to get into the next section. From the home page, you're going to see this very similar page. And all the way to the right hand side, you see all the due dates. I try to make everything due on Sunday evening, so you have a whole week to work on it. There are some times when there are due dates in the middle of the week, and those are the weeks that we have exams. And on the right hand side, you can see the book. So if I click the book, that's where I will open up this section. So for example, the first thing I need to do for 2.3 is open up chapter 2. And if I click the menu here, I can go to 2.3 and I can read through here and flip the pages. And this is just like the hard copy of the book. There are also some videos embedded inside, and those are nice. And there's also where, when you're doing, if you want to do some of the practice problems here, there are links here. It gives you an interactive version. So those are all nice things that are in a ebook that you can't get in a hard copy book. When you get to now the WebAssign has the problems in there, but if you want to look through, there are the exercises. And what's nice about this is that you can check, like you could do the problem and you can hit answer to see the answer. So those are all nice things in this WebAssign book. Also, there's a website that accompanies our book. It's called Calc Chat. So it's www.calcchat.com. And it accompanies the book. So you look for our book. Our book is Calculus ETF 7th edition. You click view. And so, for example, that question I just had up, which was chapter 2, it was section 3. It was exercise 5. I hit go. It shows me how to complete that problem. So the worked out solutions for the odd problems are there for you on this website. So if there's something that you're not understanding in the homework, you can look it up through here to see how they've worked it out. And you can contact me also. You can also contact, there's the WCC offers the Learning Commons, and they also offer resources for help. So going back to our Blackboard page, I think that that's a good overview of what to do, how to navigate this course. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I will respond as soon as I can. And I look forward to a great semester and meeting everyone. Thanks, everybody.